Hey guys, welcome to our LiteView tutorial. In this session, we'll be going over one of our features, status monitoring and lighting control. By using these features, we can constantly monitor the most updated status, and we can turn lights on, off, and change dimming level for individual, group, or all nodes in an instance. First, let's spend some time on understanding status monitoring. When we log in, we're always welcomed by the dashboard, and on the screen, we're immediately informed of how many LEDs are in the network and how many are active or inactive. So if you notice some discrepancy between the information and your intention, you can head over to LED network to find out more. Once we're on LED network, you should see a screen full of circles, and each of these circle number represents an LED in your network. There are a total of 4 different indicators for these circles. If the circle is blue, it means it is currently switched on. If it's red, it means it's currently switched off. If there is an exclamation mark on the circle, it means that the node is temporarily unavailable, likely having some issues communicating to the server. And last, if the circle is gray, it means that the node is offline and probably requires some troubleshooting. In addition, the completeness of the circle indicates how bright it is. A full circle means it's utilizing 100% brightness, while a partially filled circle like this is dimmed. Now that we understand what each signal and color means, we can start controlling our lights. For demo purpose, let's just choose node number 16, Warehouse Light 4. We can identify the light by reading its description. We have a few options that we can adjust. We can switch the light on or off by pressing the switch button. You can see that when we do this, the status on the display changes and the numbers correspond in real time, showing you exactly how much power is being used. Or we can adjust the brightness level by using the slide bar. To be more precise, we can type in the desired value right here. But let's say we want to make adjustments to an area of light. We will want to select either controlling a group or all lights in the network, so we don't have to adjust each light separately. And the exact same controls can be applied to these group of lights. Select a group from the list or all if you want to control everything at once, and you can switch on, off, and adjust brightness level. And this should reflect to all nodes that belong to this group immediately. An important feature to note is the refresh button. While our system periodically retrieves the latest information, there may be delay in larger networks. To ensure you're reading the most up-to-date information on a specific node, group of nodes, or all nodes, press the button on the right-hand side. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact support@meshsmart.com.